Now, if you're a freelancer or a content creator, this is going to be a total lifesaver. You can actually generate professional invoices to get paid in literally just one click. Let me show you how. I've got some sample sender and receiver info here in Skywork. All I have to do is drop in a simple prompt. Create a professional invoice based on this data. I'll select document, hit submit. Your invoice will start generating instantly. And let me tell you, Skywork is incredibly fast, way ahead of other AI agents in terms of speed. Plus, a huge bonus is that they give you free daily credits to play with. But generating documents is just the beginning. There is so much more you can do with this tool. And I'm going to break it all down for you later in the video. So, stick around. And just like that, take a look, our invoice is finished in record time. Now, seriously, just imagine the hustle if you had to build this from scratch in Canva or Word. You'd be spending way more time on the design and layout, but here, it's done before you can even blink. Now, you can just click the download button to save it in docx, PDF, HTML, or Markdown format. What's even better is that you have full control. You can actually jump right in and edit the document directly if you need to make any quick changes. But wait, it gets even better. If you're looking to give a website a fresh new look, you can actually redesign the entire thing effortlessly right here. It's seriously that simple. Let me show you how. Take a look at the Costa Coffee website. Honestly, the design feels a bit dated and isn't quite up to today's professional standards. But watch how easy this is. Just grab the URL, head back to Skywork, and type in a quick prompt like redesign this website. Make sure to select the website agent, pop in your link, and send it off. Skyworks AI is now going to do a deep dive, analyzing every image and piece of content on the site to kick off the redesign. And here's the crazy part, it doesn't just stop at the homepage, it actually gives the entire website a complete makeover, every single subpage included. Check this out. Skyworks AI agent has successfully analyzed the entire site, and is already busy building the new version. What's really impressive is that it's utilizing industry-standard tech like TypeScript and React. This ensures that the final design isn't just visually stunning, but also lightning fast and super responsive for a top-tier user experience. We're talking professional-grade performance here. And there it is. Skywork just finished the complete redesign. Let me pop this open in a new tab for you so we can really dive into the details and see how it turned out. Just look at these results. Skyworks website agent pulled off a complete redesign in literally minutes. It's so much more modern and fluid than the original version. But here's the most impressive part, it actually overhauled and linked every single subpage as well. Just to be clear, this isn't some basic one-page site. We're looking at a fully functional, multi-page website built entirely by AI. Now, for the ultimate test, let's pull up the original website. You be the judge, did Skywork actually blow the original out of the water? Let's take a look and see which one really wins. Personally, if you ask me, Skywork is the clear winner here, hands down. The redesign is just way more modern and sleek compared to the original. But I want to hear from you. What's your take on this? Drop a comment below and let me know which one you think looks better. By redesigning websites with Skywork, you can make money as a freelancer. And if you have your own business website, you can give it a fresh new look every month. If you ever need to put together a presentation for a project, Skywork can literally whip it up for you in seconds. No more spending hours on slides. This tool is a total lifesaver for your assignments. Let's say your assignment topic is AI versus humans. All you have to do is drop in a simple prompt, create a presentation on AI versus humans. Then, just select the slides agent and send it off. Just like that, Skywork will start crafting your entire slide deck right before your eyes. Here's how the magic happens. Skyworks slide agent scours multiple sources to gather all the data you need and creates a perfect outline for your presentation. And for the visuals, images, and even those clean SVG icons, it uses Nano Banana Pro, which is honestly one of the most advanced image generation models on the market right now. The best part? You don't have to lift a finger. Just drop your prompt, sit back for a second, and let the slide agent handle all the heavy lifting for you. And just like that, Skyworks Slides agent has delivered a fully professional, ready-to-go presentation in literally minutes. What's really cool is that it actually cites its sources, so you can see exactly where it pulled the data from. And don't worry, if you want to change anything, you can jump in and edit any part of the slides. Let me pop this open in a new tab and go full screen for you. Wow, just look at that! It looks absolutely incredible. I've linked Skywork AI in the description for you guys. You seriously need to give this a try. It's a massive time saver and will absolutely skyrocket your productivity. Skywork is basically a powerhouse of AI agents. First off, you've got the general agent, perfect for tackling just about anything. Then there's the Image Agent, which uses the Nano Banana Pro model to deliver stunning, high-quality visuals. For professionals, the Document Agent is a game-changer for staying ahead of the curve. If you need to nail a presentation for school or work, the Slides Agent has you covered. Need ideas? The chat model gives you access to industry giants like Claude, Haiku, Grok, and Gemini. But wait, it gets even better. You also get a Sheets Agent for data, a website agent to build or redesign sites from scratch, and a video agent featuring top-tier models like Seedance, Pixverse, and Veo. It's literally everything you need in one place. The toolbox gets even better. You've got a dedicated podcast tool that handles all the research and recording for you with just a single click. It's that fast. Then we have UVibe, which is a total game changer. It summarizes YouTube videos and instantly converts them into mind maps or full presentations. And for those of you who need precision, there's a tool for professional data analysis, giving you highly accurate Q&A and deep insights based on reliable data. It's perfect for when you need your information to be spot on. One of the best things about Skywork is the massive library of templates. Whether you're making videos, drafting documents, or building slides, you've got a ton of ready-to-use templates that you can easily customize for your own projects. Basically, no matter what you're working on, Skywork has a template to help you get it done faster. You should definitely go and check it out. It's free to use with a few limitations, but if you find it as helpful as I do, you can always upgrade to a paid plan. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.